Degrees of freedom refers to the movement of head in space, or how we account for the head's position and orientation. The simplest head-mounted display offers 3 DOF, 3 degrees of freedom, which allows one to rotate the head in 3 planes, with pitch, tilting forward and backward on the x-axis, yaw, turning left and right on the y-axis, and roll, tilting side to side on the z-axis. Six degrees of freedom, 6 DOF, come with more advanced head-mounted displays and 3 different movements. Sway, move left and right on the x-axis. Heave, move up and down on the y-axis. And surge, move forward and backward on the z-axis. The higher the number of degrees of freedom means the more one is able to engage with movement. Degrees of freedom, together with stereoscopic and spatial audio, intensify the sense of presence. The greater the degrees of freedom, the greater the experience in VR, because the greater you can suspend disbelief from real to the virtual and engage with the content.